If your contractor hand tools got cleaned out tonight, could you replace everything inside of it tomorrow? Thousands of dollars in HVAC, electrical, or carpentry tools can disappear overnight. And here's the question that I want every trade business owner to answer. If someone cleaned out one of my service vans tonight, could you tell me exactly what was stolen, what was the worth, whether your insurance actually covered it? Because that van isn't just carrying tools, it's carrying your ability to make money tomorrow. Hi, I'm Jamie Blair with Wise Insurance Agency, and we work with contractors, trade contractors all across Polk County, Osceola County, Highlands County, and across Central Florida. Today, we're going to be talking specifically in regards to the theft of tools and how that works and how you protect that equipment. First, you want to create a equipment inventory. I suggest any type of Google Sheet or Excel spreadsheet. Think about what's actually riding around with your technician. We have gauges, we have recovery equipment, we have vacuum pumps, power tools, hand tools, drills, saws, etc. Start by adding up what you may be surprised of how much money is sitting inside that van. Document the equipment, the year, the make, the model, the serial number when available, and what it is worth. Don't just create a list and forget about it. Update the equipment as you purchase it, as it's replaced. Second, you want to look where those vans are being parked. If your technician or your worker takes the van home every single night in Lakeland, Winter Haven, Kissimmee, Sebring, Davenport, what is the policy that you're securing that vehicle? Simple controls, they matter. Keep valuable equipment out of sight. Lock all of the compartments every single night. Use additional van security when appropriate. Consider a GPS or a tracking technology for higher value equipment. Then create a written company list for all of your technicians, an SOP, if you will, to follow every single night. Here's where I see what business owners get confused about. Commercial auto and general liability insurance, they serve an important part of your business. But don't assume automatically that protects every single tool that's sitting inside that van. Tool equipment that can travel between one place to the other, either on a job site, it may require what's called an inland marine, also known as tool coverage. The Insurance Information Institute specifically explains that inland marine insurance can cover products and materials while your equipment is being transferred, either over land or by water, honestly. That's important for your contracting or your trade company because it's equipment and it doesn't just stay in one building. It moves with your technicians or your workers from day to day. So what could happen if something is broken into overnight? The first 3 service calls the next day, guess what? They're not going to get done. How much are these tools going to cost you? You're asking, how quickly can I get a technician out there to work again? Well, you got to replace all of those tools. And that's why we look at this different. So I want you to ask yourself, if these tools disappeared tonight, that's a conversation worth having before the theft happens. At Wise Insurance Agency, we would love to do a policy review. We can review all of your tool inventory and make sure it's covered properly. Hi, once again, Jamie Blair. Follow me for more tips, tricks, and insurance insight. Hope to talk to you soon.